Alright, kita mainin band 10 ya, band 10 Alien Force ya kan. Ya kan? Tadinya band si Benjamin ya kan, Benjamin Tennyson itu masih bocah, sekarang dia sudah bertumbuh dewasa ya kan. Gak dewasa sih, bertumbuh remaja ya kan. Dan dia masih tetap dengan alien things-nya dia lah. Ya kan? Dan si Kevin sama ini nih di gambarnya sama siapa sih namanya, Gwen ya kan. Gila, sudah tumbuh dewasa. Sepertinya sudah waktu berlalu begitu cepat sekali guys. Oh ini gak copyright kayaknya. Jadi ya udah gak apa-apa. Bikin nih. Yes. Aduh ini agak nge-lag ya. Biasa kalau load-loadan. Option dulu. Difficulty normal aja, subtitle on, control light, audio setting, auto save. Oke, new, let's go. Normal aja lah ya. Karena gue belum pernah. Kalau ini belum pernah mainin gue. Spider Monkey can use his web attack to grab and pull some environmental object.
And that's just the beginning.
Anjay. Mereka bertiga. Kevin tuh saudara juga bukan sih, apa teman aja?
And yet it can't get us to the amusement pier before I'm bored to tears. I don't remember inviting you along. If you don't like the company, you can always just slap that watch of yours and fly, or ooze, or whatever, wherever you want. I'm not stopping you. Fine by me. Whoa, wait! Not in the car!
Ben, wait! Kevin, what is that? Your plumber's badge?
Plumber's badge.
But you're not far off. It's a track.
Mobilnya keren juga.
I installed it this last week, but it doesn't track plumber's badges. It tracks uncatalogued alien tech. Stuff that
Plumber
might be
badge.
valuable. You know, valuable for research and stuff. Yeah, well, whatever that is.
Ini Kevin tuh punya ini, setahu gue tuh si Kevin tuh punya kekuatan buat nyerap ini apa? Nyerap elemen lah gitu lah. Misalkan dia nyerap elemen besi gitu kan, ntar tubuhnya jadi besi coy. Makanya kemarin di benteng apa Protector of Earth ini kan dia jadi monster kayak gitu tuh, dia tuh nyerap semua, nyerap Omnitrix kayak itu. Itu XL8 ya? Gue seneng nyebutnya XLRB sih guys. Produk resol. Oke. Ini ada emang guys. This is gonna be epic bro. Forever Night, gokil. Forever Night tuh artinya berarti ini kesatria selamanya. Ada collect attack segitiga, perform heavy attack, build to special attack. Oke. Coba kita coba. Ini kayak yang api deh. Ih, isi banget. Every time you defeat collect attack point. Ya sama, masih sama ya. Gue kepo sih guys. Ntar dulu. Kita ntar coba-coba dulu ya. Oh blok sama, masih sama lah ya. Gak bisa ditahan ya. Habis guys. Sorry, gak jadi. Kita ambil dulu lah. Sorry bro. Oh ya, penuh lagi bro. Sorry. Oh shit. Aduh kena. Ini masih cupu sih guys. Masih cupu banget anjir, sumpah. Coba gue mau nyoba yang ini guys.
Everybody freeze. Chill out.
Chill out. Chill out bro. Ini belum ada combo ya, kotak-kotak segitiganya juga jelek. Kita ambilin dulu nih, kita butuh bacok. Oh shit.
If only you could change into a fast
Goblok. Ketololan yang hakiki anjing. Ntar guys.
If you could only pick the right form, you might see a ray of hope.
Oh nggak bisa guys. Gue kira dia bisa terbang itu loh, 2 kali. Nyoba-nyoba ya. Bukan cupu, emang nyoba-nyoba.
If you could only
Apaan sih, gue udah mencet X cok. Kebanyakan ngobrol, jangan ngobrol dong.
time for a cool change. If only you could change into a fast red alien form that could fly.
Fast. Ah tolol anjir, sumpah kok jadi tol. Bisa terbang, berarti ini belum bisa terbang ya guys.
If you could only pick the right form, you might see a ray of hope.
There's swamp gas.
Oh nggak bisa guys. Diam, mana diam.
Smell you later.
Sini lo maju. Hai, masih cupu banget cok. Sumpah masih cupu banget. Weh, naik deh. Dikit. Cool cooker. Ini deh. Kotak segitiga ya? Simple banget guys. Oh gitu. Oke. Sini lo. Ini gak susah itu sih guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Masih ada nih bro. Gila, gila.
Looks like you're
Sini lo maju. Bye Wat sini. Lah nggak bisa guys. Ah tolol ke situ goblok. Ini apa? Oh ini plumber. Unlock bonus konten. Ini lebih ke manusia ya. Ini alien-aliennya guys. Double attack, oke. Are gonna die bro. Wah enak deh. Enak guys, sumpah. Dah yuk. Ini perasaan bisa terbang dah, seingat gua. Wah songong loh. Weh, gak bisa terbang. Sini lo maju. Wait, sorry bro. You gonna die bro. Sini lo. Gila nggak mati-mati, tebel banget. Aduh gak kelihatan. Diam. Sini. Ini deh, kita ini dulu ya. Kotak segitiga ya apa guys? Ntar ya. Tolol. Ntar nunggu musuh dulu guys. Kotak segitiga ya apa ya? Oh shit. Diam kamu. Kok keren yang api itu ya? Wait. Diam. Aduh, meledak, Cok. Sini lo maju. Deh, bandnya udah gede nih. Sorry bro, the Benton is good. Apaan sih? Tenggelam guys. Goblok.
If you can't stand the heat, get out of the swamp.
Sini maju. Gila. Wah, ini nggak bisa ini. Gak bisa di ini ya ternyata. Apaan sih guys? Tolol dah gua. Gak bisa meloncat anjir. Bentar itu. Bisa balik lagi guys. Ya, gimana deh bro? Oh shit. Maju lu sini lu. Gila, gak mati-mati guys. Segitiga kotak. Nah terus kita ke. Wah anjir, ada itu guys.
Can't do anything here right now. Come back later as Jet Ray. That looks like a job for Spider Monkey. Maybe we should come
Spider
back
Monkey. Iya bener, ntar balik lagi deh. Ini masih stage 1 tahu.
Hey, Who are you?
Lah,
Get out of here.
forearm, bro.
It's too dangerous.
I don't have time to explain, but it looks like we're on the same side. And I can help. Trust me.
Fine. If you want to help, check inside the warehouse for more of these knights. I'll search the perimeter.
Oh shit. Wow, ada lagi guys. Ngeri juga anjir. Karakter information. Lens, oh lens. Tadi dulu guys, sabar ya. Haha, enak banget. Enak guys. Sakit loh guys. Sakit guys. Kamera. Nah ini nggak bisa guys. Oh alah. Kayaknya akan pakai chill dah. Chill apa ini guys? Gila Sumati. Mana sini? Aja bisa nembak, Cok. Sini. Ke atas mana guys? Ke sini. Ini gue belum pernah main soalnya ya. Jadi sorry itu sih. Wah ini panjang juga nih gue liat-liat. Cepet guys. Sini maju. Tapi ngorbanin nyawa ya. Oh ada ini guys, gak gua ambil lagi. What the fuck. Gak gua ambil, kocak. Bisa gak sih langsung? Gak bisa lagi. Lompatnya begitu doang, gak bisa terbang guys. Haha, you're gonna die. Aduh kena. Aduh mati guys.
Smell of success.
Kotak segitiga ke bulat. Ini apa nih? Pas banget berubah lagi.
Thank you for your help. You're just as skilled as they say, Ben Tennyson.
Anjay, forearm obesitas coy.
But I know you. More accurately, I know
Max Tennyson.
knew your your grandfather, Max Tennyson.
Oh, kakeknya Max Tennyson.
Next time, why bother stopping? Just run me over. I'll keep that in mind. Who's your four-armed friend?
I prefer Tetramand.
Namanya
And the
Tetraman.
name is Gorvin. I presume this is your cousin Gwendolyn? And he is your...
Kevin. Gwen. Gorvin is a plumber. He knows Grandpa Max.
Your grandfather and I were acquainted several years ago. I have
7
been
years.
away since then. I only just arrived back on Earth.
And you're already making new friends, I see.
Kevin, you don't have to be rude.
Yeah.
Kevin rude banget ya.
No, not be a jerk for once. Haven't we already?
Biasa yang tengil bandnya.
Automatically trusting everybody. We don't know who this guy is. Just because he's got a plumber's badge doesn't mean he's really a plumber.
No, your friend, though not exactly tactful, is right. You deserve an explanation.
Bener-bener.
I am indeed a plumber. Earth isn't my patrol sector, but I was dispatched here on an urgent mission.
What kind of mission?
Have you ever heard of a race of aliens that calls themselves the Hybrid?
Hybrid.
Yeah, we've dealt with those creeps before. Grandpa Max.
Ini agak panjang gamenya ya, ternyata.
Anyway, we've been running into them more and more often.
Satu stage-nya gitu maksud
Well,
gua.
the Hybrid are up to something here on Earth. They seem to be collecting pieces of alien technology, like this one.
That's a pyronite plasma oscillator. Even I wouldn't mess with something that.
Dia mau diambil aja.
What do the hybrid want with that?
Good question. We're not sure, but there are several other alien components the Hybrid are supposedly looking for. I'm hoping we'll find some clues along the way while we're retrieving the other components.
You mean you want our help?
Yes. That is, if you, your cousin, and your friend here
Friend.
wouldn't mind. My search would go a lot faster if you did the legwork, while I coordinated from the local plumber base.
Absolutely.
You bet. No way.
2-1. Overruled.
We're in.
Excellent.
Kalah. Skala suara aja 2-1.
In the mountains to the east. By now, the instruments have probably located at least one of the other components.
Biasanya
Why don't you lead? We'll follow you. What? The shocks would be toast after a mile if I let
dia nggak bisa nerima orang baru nih kayaknya.
I'm not wrecking my car for some alien I just met. He walked here, he can walk back. Anybody ever tell you your priorities are a little out of whack? Anybody ever tell you that walking is good exercise?
Anybody ever tell both of you that your constant arguing is getting old? Oh wait, that would be me. Every day.
Anjir, jalan kaki dia. Woi, dapat spider monkey.